Hello guys, thanks for watching this video analysis. Today I will talk about the US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, about a bearish continuation, about downside continuation pattern, and I will talk also about the US data dump, because today we'll have high impact events later today, and the fundamentals could have a big impact, so that's why it's very important to talk about technicals, about technical analysis, and about fundamentals. Yeah, so support. If you have questions, it's important to understand that Learn to Trade will never contact you directly. Yeah, and will never ask for payment. And please guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can learn a lot from our videos. You can visit our website, Instagram. You can follow us on Dash to Trade. Please visit the website. So if you want to join the pre-sale, you can join. You can visit the dash2trade.com. US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. Let's take a look here. And unfortunately, guys, actually, let's start with the dollar index. Okay, dollar index. Unfortunately, the dollar index failed here to approach and reach 111.78. It has dropped below this uptrend line, signaling a potential downside movement. And also it has ignored the weekly pivot point here, and right now it challenges this key level 110.77. A new lower low here could signal a potential deeper drop in the short term. So that's why the US dollar depreciated versus its rival. So US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. Yeah, and let's go back to 1 hour, or actually let's talk about this market here. So key level 1.1497, key level, right? And here strong upside movement, and here a potential falling wedge pattern, but the price failed to stay above this the falling wedge pattern support, breakdown, and here retest. Maybe it has rebounded, maybe it has retested this potential key level, former low 1.4161, and right now it has turned to the downside again. It has dropped below these levels, downside line and uptrend line, through this confluence area, signaling maybe potential deeper drop. Okay, technically, okay, this up channel could represent a potential downside movement pattern, but yeah, it has retested here the broken levels, but maybe I would have liked, or maybe I would like to see another retest here before, yeah, developing a larger downside movement, because after this sell-off we cannot exclude a temporary rebound. And I want to talk also about the US data. So later, ISM manufacturing PMI, this indicator is expected at 50.0, still in the positive maybe territory, in the expansion territory, or after maybe dropping from it remains to see. Yeah, ISM manufacturing PMI, because if it drops below 50.0, then it could signal, and it could indicate, it could confirm contraction, and this could be bad for the US dollar. Only better than expected US data could help the US dollar to appreciate in the short term. Final manufacturing PMI as well, 49.9. Job openings, a potential drop here. Construction spending, 0.5% drop expected. So yeah, very important. You'll have to keep an eye on the economic calendar, because most likely the economic data could bring some volatility, could bring significant action on the US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. And also don't forget that tomorrow, guys, on Wednesday, we'll have the FOMC. Let's take a look. FOMC, so the Federal Open Market Committee, the Federal Reserve, is expected to increase the federal funds rate by 75 basis points again. right? So this is my opinion about this market. Don't forget that we have support 1.4085. It remains to see how it will react here. That's why personally I would like to see a rebound, and only then to see a new lower low and the downside movement, downside continuation. Thank you guys. Don't forget to visit dash2trade.com if you want to join the pre-sale. Okay, please read the white paper. We have the roadmap theme, and if you want maybe to join the giveaway, yeah, you have everything on dash2trade.com. Thank you. Bye bye.